Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, we're going to look at this problem today. This is a problem that I don't know how to start this, in the last 3 years, a lot of kids missed. So we're going to talk about it in case you see something similar in the future, like, I don't know, next week.
Oh.
Our problem, Mia had to drive 60.5 miles to buy some archery equipment. By 2:30, she had driven 30 56 hundredths miles. How much further does she need to drive? So we're going to talk about it in a sentence. In a sentence, what are we going to have to do to solve this problem? If we're working in a sentence, how would we solve this? Tiernan, if we had to write in a sentence using no numbers how we were going to solve this problem, what would you write? Multsub? I don't. Is that like, are you speaking German? Multsub! You weren't listening to me? Meat, oh, maybe it is meat sub.
I don't know, maybe that's what he said.
I know.
I want a meat sub.
Mia had to drive 60.5 miles to buy some archery equipment. By 2:30, she had driven 30 56 hundredths miles. How much further does she need to drive?
Subtract the amount that she had to drive with the amount that she was driven.
Good, so we subtract what she's driven. From starting miles. Subtract what she's driven from starting number of miles. Knox, so what's my equation?
Sorry.
It'll be the longest video ever. Let me read it again, Knox. Mia had to drive 60.5 miles to buy some archery equipment. By 2:30, she had driven 30 56 hundredths miles. How much further does she need to drive? Tiernan told us you have to subtract what she has driven from her starting miles. So what's my equation? Oh no, Knox is going to get it if we have to stand here the whole period. You guys all have to do homework because we didn't get it done.
Sorry, try repeating.
Knox, how much miles has she driven? That's how much she's driven. And Tiernan said we're subtracting that from what? 60.5.
Slay.
Equals how many miles she has left to go. Now, Kate, we always estimate first. So I'm going to make it easy. So, Kate, I'm just going to do 60 minus 30, and you're going to get what as your estimate? 30. So our estimate, we need an answer about 30. Our estimate's about 30. So we have 60.5 subtract 30 56 hundredths. Oh, let's see. Liv, what's the problem with this problem? What's the issue with this problem? There's something that's messing me up here that I don't understand.
The decimals aren't lined up, and also 1/2 isn't a decimal.
1/2 isn't a decimal.
You have to write it down.
Okay, so Liv, if I asked you how to write 1/2 as a decimal, could you tell me? What would it be?
Depending on the whole number, because 1/2 is half. Like if you're half of 100, you can 50. If you're half of
Yeah, but I just want 1/2. How would I write 1/2?
50.
Okay. 0.50. So I have 60.5 miles. I subtract 30 and 56 hundredths miles. Now, if I have 0 hundredths, I can't take 6 away from them. So I got to come over here. Now I'm taking 1 of my tenths away. And there are 10 hundredths in a tenth. So this is going to be 10. So I have 10 subtract 6 is 4. Man. But now I have 4 tenths minus 5 tenths. I can't do that. This becomes 5 tenths,
59 becomes
which 9, and now 14 subtract 5 is 9. When I add and subtract, decimals come straight down. 59 minus 30 is? No, 59 minus 30.
that's
29. So she has to drive 29 and 94 hundredths miles still.
Sorry, I did not get that.
Any questions? No? Good.
Can you put something like
Now,